We're going to do another example of basic factoring. Although this expression may not look like it can be factored using basic factoring, it actually can. The first thing you want to check for always is a greatest common factor, and that might be able to bring your problem back into the realm of a basic factoring problem. So since all of this actually divides by 2, we're going to be able to take 2 out of each term, and then we're going to save that 2 for later, and we're just going to go ahead and divide. So we get p squared minus 4p minus 60. Now we have a basic factoring, and we're going to come back to that 2 at the end. So we want to look for factors that multiply to negative 60 and add to negative 4. But we first know that to get p squared, we'll need a p in each of our parentheses. Now I'm just going to look for factors of 60, and then we'll talk about the signs afterwards. So my factors of 60, we have 60 and 1, 2 and 30, 4 and 15, 6 and 10. And as soon as I think I reach the factor, I just disregard all other factors that didn't work, and I don't continue my list anymore, because I know that I'm looking for factors that add or subtract to the middle. So since 6 and 10 will get me 4 if I subtract, that will work, because I know I need opposite signs to get negative 60 anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and try negative 6 and positive 10, and I'm going to check my work. Is a negative 6 times 10 a negative 60? Yes. Is a negative 6 plus 10 equal to negative 4? Since it's actually equal to positive 4, I'm going to change it. I'm going to make this a plus, and I'm going to go in and make this a minus, since they still have to be opposites. And remember, when you're doing these kind of problems, you can always have them be opposite signs, both negative or both positive, as long as they multiply to a negative 60 and add to a negative 4. So in this case, they have to be opposites, and the bigger number has to be the negative. Now, you may have noticed that we didn't really do anything with this 2 that we took out in the beginning. So to finalize our problem, we actually had to take that 2 that we factored out in the beginning, put them out in front, and then have our 2 parentheses. That way, when we FOIL, so if we were to do first, outer, inner, last, we would get back up to this point. And then when we multiply everything by 2, we would get back up to our original problem. I hope this helps you a little bit out with basic factoring.